customer service, and building your brand. It's a no-brainer. You'll need the right tools to streamline your dropshipping business. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Here are some must-haves product research tools. These tools help you find winning products on Amazon that are in high demand. Dropshipping apps. These apps connect your Shopify store to Amazon, making it easy to import products and automate orders. Marketing and sales tools. You need to get the word out about your awesome products. Use tools for email marketing, social media, and paid advertising. Remember, the right tools will save you time and headaches in the long run. They're an investment in your business. Section 4, the power of Amazon and Shopify growth and statistics. Let's talk numbers. Amazon has over 300 million active customer accounts worldwide. That's a huge potential customer base for your dropshipping business. And Shopify, it powers over 4.4 million online stores globally. It's a platform built for success. These numbers show the incredible growth and popularity of both platforms. By tapping into these marketplaces, you're setting yourself up for success in the booming world of e-commerce. Section 5, your step-by-step guide to dropshipping from Amazon to Shopify. Ready to get started? Here's a simplified breakdown. 1. What are you passionate about? What products do you want to sell? 2. Head over to Shopify and sign up for a free trial. It's easy. 3. Customize your store's design, add your logo, and create compelling product descriptions. 4. Use product research tools to identify bestsellers with high demand. 5. Import products from Amazon to your store using a dropshipping app. 6. Promote your store on social media, run ads, and reach out to potential customers. Remember, this is a simplified guide. Each step has its nuances, but don't let that scare you. With the right tools and resources, you'll be up and running in no time. Section 6, tips for crushing it and avoiding pitfalls. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. Get the word out about your products through social media, content marketing, and paid advertising. Keep track of your inventory, orders, and customer information. Dropshipping can be a challenging but rewarding business. Stay focused, adapt to changes, and always be learning. Now go crush it.